Current update on BTC. The chart is showing me a slight different thing. So let's do analysis. Yeah. This week, let me see. Okay, this week was bearish. So that's annoying. I took this trade this week. Yeah. That was Monday. Yeah. So this week was bullish and bearish. So more of a calls. No, not a consolidation though. We previously had buyers, sellers here. Anything above here, buyers are likely to come in, but what to confirm that move is price actually breaking above here to indicate, in this range, this is sellers, you have sellers. This is range. This is a range where sellers are. They drove price from here to here, so they are likely to have control here more. So buyers pushing price up is like they have enough momentum. So anything that breaks above here and I get a retest, or I'll look for an entry after this break, because this is a higher time frame. I don't want to make my stop loss get too big. So after this break, I'm gonna look for a way to get into this trade. I'm gonna hold it, but if it doesn't break, I'll just keep looking at the chart. But right now, I'm thinking of buys for BTC. Why? You see, price made lower high, made a lower low, made a lower high, made a lower low, then made a higher high, breaking two structures, made a higher high. But on the 4-hour structure, I think on the 4-hour structure, we'll consider this the main structure. This was just a pullback on the lower time frame sale, significant structure that got me into this sale. Alright, so price breaking here was an indication, and the price going below here was also a continuation for this one, because this was an indication, a correction and a continuation. If you enter this trade from around here, let me see, which is not supposed to be so, but if you wanted to enter aggressively and you did enter around here, stop loss was here, and you're targeting something like this low, this is how you should get out of this trade before I push the buyer switch I have on BTC. You see, price was consistently making let's go to the 15. Your closing here will be unreasonable. I don't, because here you want to see price break above. Okay, you saw price making lower highs, but I think this is not enough. This is not lower high to consider too. Or if you consider it, it's up to you, but I think this is the one. Then after the lower high was made, you see how price then broke this place, broke this structure, and it was that lower low on the 5-minute time frame, and started stalling on this place. And after that, which it broke, then broke. Okay, made this high, made this low, made this high, then broke above. It's like ICC playing out on the 15-minute time frame, but I don't trade it because I took an L on it, trading ICC from the 15-minute time frame. So I won't do that no more. Price broke, then you see anything above here, you have buying potential. So you might just exit your trade here, because price has pulled back there and it's going back up after you seen it stalling for a while. You understand? So that would be the reason I exit my trade. That was the reason. That was how I exited this one here. I saw price making consistent lower lows. It wouldn't break. I was like, if price breaks here, I'll close my trade. For I ended up closing around it because I saw consistent higher higher lows. I thought this was gonna break here, but I closed it, then it just swept liquidity and moved on. Very fast. So that was a good trade. And those would have been the ones to see closing here. This is just basically market structure and just trading price overall. So what I've been expecting. Okay, as I was saying, you trading from here, it might sound good, but if I wanna be over risky, if I wanna be too risky, those if I wanna be too risky on this trade, I might just trade from here, because what's the point of trading if you ain't got no risk involved? So me waiting for a better setup, I don't think this is a better setup. This is a good setup though. I know. And I just wait. Oh, what's confluencing this my bias now is, you see, price made a higher low. Buyers coming in, like buyers are strong. See they see this volume. They've been pushing price for the past for, past for the past uh, they've been pushing price for the past 4 hours. Past 12 hours, I mean. So I think I'm gonna take this buy because to this high, because it's an area where I have sellers. I think here it's an area to consider. Okay, I'll just mark all the places we have sellers. When they get broken, I keep holding. I think that's the best thing to do. But I'm gonna take this buy from here. If it pulls below here and comes back up above there, I'm gonna take the buy because it's a good one. Then overall targets here first. Then if that gets broken with a very strong momentum, then I'll think of here then next. Then if it gets broken, I'm gonna keep holding my trade. And what will invalidate these buyers? Let's see. We'll just read the chart and let's see how it goes.